Okay, so this is a 3D object that I just generated using an AI model from Meta AI called Some3D. And surprisingly, this model is pretty fast and pretty good at turning a picture into some 3D models. So let me show you how you can easily use this tool from Meta AI to turn your 2D photo into some 3D models quickly. So to do that, let's navigate to Google, and the easiest way to find this tool is by using a keyword like meta segment anything. And after that, you can navigate to segment anything playground. Just open the website. So you can log in with your Meta account, which is basically the Facebook or Instagram account. And now I'm going to just click try it because I have logged into my Meta AI account. So this is the playground that was provided for free by Meta AI, and there are plenty of models that we can play around, but of course for this video we are going to focus on the 3D models. So there are two options. There is the option for the 3D scenes and also the option to create a 3D body. But let's talk about the 3D scenes first. I'm going to open it and you can click upload. And you can select the picture that you want to turn into a 3D object. In this case, I will use this picture of a basket of fruits. I'm going to click open and just wait for Meta to analyze and process the image. This might take quite some time depending on the complexity of the picture. Okay, there you go. So here, I'm going to select, let's say, the apple. And to add another object, you can click add object, and then you can click another object on the picture. So there is a grape, there is also a banana, and I'm going to add another object for the orange. And lastly, this green fruit, which could be anything honestly. And lastly, I'm going to add the basket. So let me select everything. And there you go. So every important object has been selected. Now just wait for Meta to actually create a 3D object based on all the selections based from the picture. Now, I guess I'm going to click generate 3D again because there are multiple elements that I ask AI to generate. So this is the result. You can actually preview it. You can click, you can use your scroll wheel to zoom in or zoom out the 3D object. So this is the result. I think it is quite decent. It is not the most accurate, it is not the most detailed honestly, but given the speed and performance, I would say this is very much usable. So if you want to download this, you want to refine the result using tools like Blender, for example, then you can click this download button. And you can select the format, and then you can select the object that you want to save to your computer. So that's basically for the 3D scenes feature. And by the way, you can also use this to create a 3D model of a person. And it's not very good, but it is something that you can try. Now let's talk about the other tool called the 3D body. Now this one is not necessarily used for turning let's say a photo of someone into a 3D model. It is actually used for creating a rig, which later can be used to animate the person or character using some 3D software. So let me try using maybe this picture. Now that's just a picture of Mark Zuckerberg. Okay, so it is not going to retain the detail or character of the person, and it is only for creating a rig of the character. There you go. So we got this picture, but it is not representing the actual person. It is not even close to the face of the person. And I guess that's exactly the point. This is only used for creating rigging animation for the character. So that's the main idea behind the 3D body. And of course, you can create the 3D riggings for multiple person in the picture. This is one example that I've shown you earlier. So yeah, that's basically how you can create some 3D objects or 3D rigging characters using some other tools available in Meta AI. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.